So hello everybody, welcome back into another video, and today I'm going to teach you how you can do critical hits in Elden Ring Nightreign. So a critical hit in Elden Ring Nightreign is something happens with your attack. So as you see here, my base is 65, 66. I see here it went up 66, 132. I see here that was a crit rate right there, or I've seen something wrong. We're just gonna keep hitting until we get a critical hit. So a critical hit is, a number higher than 166 that you can get. I can consistently do it on Wilder, but not on Duchess for some reason, because I think first attack doesn't count, but it kind of works. So see here, I do some critical hits. But, it's pretty good. That's how you can do critical hits. It's just very, very random attacks that you can do. So, like, a first hit thing that's higher than your base attack is considered a crit. So, this is good if you have relics that scales on crits. So, if you have something like a, art gauge fills when you crit rate. I see here that was a crit rate 146. So, I do have a relic that, a boost. So, art gauge fills moderately upon critical hit. So to see that in action, you do have to pay attention to the art gauge right here, because I'm gonna turn off the limitation on this one. So we're going to pop that. 153, 122, 122, 122 again. So we're just gonna keep hitting. I see here I hit the crit rate and my art gauge went a bit up than usual, so that's pretty good. So if you have like a relic that is relying on critical hits, that is pretty good. I also have improved critical hits +1, so that may be helping with my testing right here. So that's pretty good. So yeah guys, that's how you critical hit in Elden Ring Nightreign. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.